I'll teach you how to bend this. This one. That one. Okay. First, you have to need 4 notes. First one is D E. The notes are D E F A. Then play it in this order. F A F A F D F A F E A F E D, like that. Then spit it up. Okay, practice with the A and
Uy, ayun mo nga.
then
Ayaw eh.
play
Sumalik.
then play F A F E in this order.
Loading lang yun.
Grabe naman
Then like that.
mag-loading yun.
Then
Sa
and
kanila
next
kanina,
like this.
Sino? Kaya no? Kay Kuya Kim?
Play it in this order. You need to have F and A
Bagal.
E
Baka pag sa
E
kanila, bagal.
and spit it up.
Ano ba nung Jezabel? Okay.
Ano
I have a mistake with that. You have to play with this order.
Ayun o.
Ano sinasabi ni
Ay,
Kevin?
si Diyos na, ay, si Diyos 3 o. Dami o.
Page yan. Filipino ba yun?
Meron naman yung Jezabel.
Like that. That's how.
Pakain na rin. Ayun.
Goodbye, guys.